Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove ads in Snapchat feed. Actually it's very easy and quick, but you need to watch this video until the end so you won't skip any important steps. So first of all you need to open your Snapchat application on your mobile device. It can be Android or iPhone, so it doesn't matter, the steps are the same. And then in this interface at the bottom left, click on the chats icon, here it is, and then if you see here an ad, all you need to do is to press and hold on it and then click on the not interested button. So it will hide this ad, but it won't hide it permanently. So if you want to hide all the ads permanently, all you need to do is to click on your profile image button at the top left corner. Here it is. Then you will see this interface, and then in the middle of the screen there is a gold button. You need to click on that one button, and then you will see this interface. All you need to do is to subscribe to Snapchat subscription, and then all the ads will be hidden. And that's only one way how to remove ads in Snapchat. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe the channel. Thank you.